webs cling more tenaciously than ever. Now there's a complete system designed to seek out and take out the new generation of messes. The UltraShock, only from Sears. Its amazingly compact motor delivers the same suction power as a full-size vacuum, yet it weighs a mere 2.2 pounds. 8 attachments turn UltraShock into an ultimate cleaning system, going deep, going around, going up high, with precision and flexibility. Call now to order. The Sears exclusive UltraShock is only $39.99, including 8 attachments, 3 brushes, 2 hoses, 2 extension tubes, floor attachment, and adjustable shoulder strap. It's a stunning combination of power and versatility, together in a handheld vac. With the UltraShock attachments, no corner is too unreachable, no space too narrow, no place is too anything for the power of UltraShock. Available now for only $39.99 and only from Sears. With its revolutionary suction power, almost nothing stands in UltraShock's way. So-called problems are a walk in the park. And a messy car? What mess? The UltraShock system takes on practically anything you can throw at it. No bags to buy either. Just empty the dust cup and it's ready for more. No need to drag out the heavy full-size vac. Not when UltraShock is a quick grab away. A portable powerhouse, 8 versatile attachments, 1 incredible cleaning system, and only one place to get it. Sears, or else.
Call 1-800-854-4747 to order the UltraShock system, only $39.99. Have your Sears card or other credit card ready. Call now, 1-800-854-4747.